What's goody, gang? Welcome. It's been 3 months, I think. And it's been a while, and I have my reasons, and those reasons are because I I've been
He
posting
broke his
more.
VR.
Shh. I've been posting more on. Shh. I've been posting more on. Shh. I've been posting more on. Shh. 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 I've been posting more on TikTok and um and we gonna be playing Meat Grinder, and I'm here playing Meat Grinder today of all days with my wifey. We're there.
And our friend Knox, which is not in camera room.
Which is in there behind the mirror.
6, 7.
Anyway, let's get you started.
Well,
Start.
someone's finally awake. I captured you while you weren't looking.
It's gonna be fingered.
This is going to be so much fun. I hope you
Skip.
enjoy the little game I've put together.
I
Climb your
put to the
way
walls,
up
guys.
or be crushed.
No.
Yo.
No.
Alright, guys, she again.
I didn't know you was a dinosaur. You just died. That's so funny.
What? I
Oh
watched
my God, I
Jurassic
just
Park
died.
today. I watched Jurassic Park on my free time because I didn't go to school.
Shh, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
I said Jurassic Park.
Exactly, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
I can't even say anything. Oh my God, what's the point of me speaking anymore?
I'm very strict of my
Yeah, no
copyright
shit.
because I've been copyrighted like a few times already.
I'm cheating.
Oh yeah, peoples. I've made many attempts at this video.
It was like yesterday with different games, but it didn't go
tried-
well.
Yeah, so
I kept doing inappropriate things, so
yeah, it's not YouTube appropriate. They're gonna get mad at me and cancel me. You're gonna get me canceled. Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh my! Oh.
I was so close in the stupid bin. Oh shit, that hurt my throat.
This is how death feels like.
I need a water break. Well, not water.
You never expect death. It could be anywhere. I just went under the ground for a second.
Okay. Why do you have red stuff?
Ooh,
Why do you have a red trail?
because I want to.
Okay, whatever. Oh, we're negative. I forgot about that. Oh shit.
I don't get why I keep dying.
How are y'all getting trails? Let's kind of sad now. I'm the only one who doesn't have a trail.
It's in the shop. It's in the shop.
Oh, wait.
For free.
There's a shop?
Yes, there's a shop.
Where?
Is there?
Where though?
In here. It's in here. You click shop here, and then you can select any of these.
Oh. Hey, let me just stand up. Oh, I'm kind of dumb.
I'm kind of scared, just a little bit, you know. I wasn't expecting that.
Oh. Thanks on the retro.
Oh my god.
I just
This is
reset my
scary.
avatar. Fuck me.
Oh my god.
I keep restarting my avatars on accident.
You
I'm
should
kinda
not.
getting mad.
You should not do that.
You think I'm trying now?
I don't know. You should just not do that. Oh my god. Oh, what? Where was that? Bruh. Everything in here is so bouncy. Oh my god. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. No! See, Father, are you proud of me? Oh my god, bro. That's so funny. I made it! It feels like I'm a magnet.
Guys, I did it.
No! Wow. I think I just gained aura. It's kind of crazy. Oh my god. I'm aura farming. I'm aura farming. I'm aura farming! I'm aura farming! Oh my god.
Guys.
I'm aura
Bye.
farming this. Hey! Oh no! Yeah, baby. I'm aura farming. Oh my god. I'm aura farming.
I have a rainbow trail.
So
Okay.
good at this. No, I hate this. So close. I can make it. I can make it. See, I'm aura farming this. I'm so good at this. I'm aura farming. I can't stop aura farming. I'm doing so good. See, I'm aura farming. I'm not aura farming. I'm aura farming this. I can make it.
Okay, this got pushed up the map. Wonderful.
I can make it. I can.
There's a lot. Like
That actually scared me. Hey, I see you cheating.
I'm not cheating. What you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
I see you cheating. I know
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
you're cheating. I see you.
I'm not cheating.
You're a little guy.
I don't know. What are you talking about, huh? What are you talking
I
about?
see you.
I'm not saying.
Rewatch this video.
I'm gay.
no homo. No homo.
Oh.
No homo.
After this, I'm smacking the little shit out of you. After this, you getting beaten. You getting beaten. I understand how mad at you. You don't understand how mad at you. How mad I am at you right now. You little. Okay.
I'm so devious.
No, you're not. Shut the fuck up.
Yes, I am. Oh my god. Someone keeps spamming me, but I don't know who.
Oh. It's is it gay man?
I don't know.
Is it the playing guy?
Oh no! He's gone. Remember? From my life.
Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. A long time ago. He dead. Dun dun dun.
Just like I'm about to be.
I think we're all gonna die in this.
Oh my god.
This is giving Jurassic Park Theory, the show on Netflix stuff. They had a new episode. I loved it.
You're going to get me copyrighted.
Okay. You know what's the point of me even speaking right now?
Just watch. You're gonna be talking a little bit later. Just watch. You're gonna be talking in a little bit.
I'm gonna make it.
See, I told you. You're talking.
I don't get teachers. I'm gonna make it.
Oh my god.
I'm not cheating.
I'm getting this. I'm making it. I can do it.
I'm at the top.
I can make it. Yay!
If you make it up here, I'll kiss you.
Make it. I can't make it.
You make it.
I can make it. See, I'm making. Are you a car? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand what's going on.
Viper.
What?
Viper.
What?
If you make it up here, I'll kiss you.
Bet. Oh my god. Way too many shipping containers. Bro, who's spamming me? I'm trying to make a video. We might have to restart again if I keep being spammed. I command you to stop. Oh, never mind. I command you to not be in my way. Wow, I'm really hitting this. I keep jinxing it. What's wrong with me? I don't know why there's a tire here. Horrible. I don't know why I'm saying purple. What's wrong with me? I think I need help. Can I not, like, go? Thank you. Oh my god. Vending machines are my worst nightmare. So are shipping containers. Bro! Where are they coming from? I'm so scared. I can make it. I'm ore farming. I'm ore farming. I'm ore farming. I can make it! I'm ore farming. I'm ore farming. Oh my god, what? I'm not even gonna ask. I don't even want to know what just happened.
Everyone's still waiting up here.
Bro. I went in the wall. The walls are speaking to me again. The walls are speaking to me again! The walls, they speak to me. Oh, the walls, they speak to me. The walls, they speak to me. The walls, oh, the walls, they speak to me. The walls. The walls, they speak to me. They don't like me. Oh, how'd I get in here? Bro, these things go down so fast. The walls, they speak to me. The
You
walls!
can do it, Viper.
I'm trying.
Hey, come here, come here.
Ah,
Come here,
so
come here,
funny.
come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here. Sit down.
What?
Sit down.
I can make it. I can make it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I'm making it.
Do you need another one?
I'm making it. I can make it. I can make it.
Ow, my wrist.
I can make it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I can do this. I can make it. I can make it. I'm feeling it. I can make it. can make it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I'm making it. I can do it. Hey, I did it. Hey. Hey. Ah, what's goody?
What? You really thought I was gonna let you out?
Yeah.
For you to rat me out? Not a
Yeah.
chance. In fact, it's much better if you die here. Then
No.
you'll just be one toss away from being dust.
No.
Still, good job on making it here alive. Not many people have managed to do that.
Uh-huh. So, like, you gonna keep talking? No? Or... I made it. Are you proud of me? Father. Father, are you proud of me? I'm going back down. Oh, Z. Okay, I did it.
Alright, sit down.
Yay!
Calm down. Calm down. Are you done?
Now I am.
I literally fell. I was falling.
Anyway, gang. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the
Enjoy.
video.
And if you didn't, I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill your parents.
I'm getting canceled.
Love
Anyway,
y'all.
see you guys later. Bye.